Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn how to control the height of a sheet metal loft using a parameter. What I've done is I've created two basic profiles for my loft. So under my sheet metal ribbon bar I'm going to select the option to create a loft and select my two profiles and finish that profile. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is we need to control our profile locator curve. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on that, select the option to edit. And I am going to right click the bottom and lock that position. I want to lock my vertical, and then we're going to go ahead and put a smart dimension on this, and we're going to put 12, and we're going to call this profile height. Click OK. We're going to finish that. The next step now is to go into each of our cross sections. So we'll go into our first top cross section. We'll right click and go into the cross section properties. And down here at the bottom, relative distance from start of locator, I want to type in a 1. And we're going to go ahead and finish that. And what that's basically done is associated that profile with the top of our locator curve. Next, we'll right click on section 2 to click edit, and we're going to do the same thing except under the cross section properties, instead of a 1 we're going to type 0, click OK, finish, and what you'll see now is the bottom profile is associated with the bottom of our profile locator curve. So I can do one of two things. I can right click on my part and go into my parameters, and under my profile height I can change this to 16, click OK, or likewise I can go into my profile locator curve, I can left double click, type 10, and you can see now that we have control by parameters for the height of our sheet metal profile. And thank you for watching.